Welcome to my channel. How to set up Mywifiext Net step-by-step Mywifiext.net setup guide. 1. Plug it in. Find a wall outlet near your main router. Don't overthink it, just plug it in. Wait for the light to blink. This thing needs power before it can do anything. 2. Connect to the Mywifiext network. On your laptop or phone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for something like Extender Setup or Mywifiext. Connect to it. No password yet, sometimes it's open. 3. Open a browser. Yep, any browser works. Chrome, Safari, whatever. Type in mywifiext.net in the URL bar. Not Google, not Bing, the URL bar. Hit enter. If it doesn't load, try 192.168.1.250. 4. Launch the setup wizard. You should see a setup screen. Don't freak out. It's not scary. Click Setup or Start Setup. 5. Pick your Wi-Fi network. It'll scan for networks. Find your home Wi-Fi, the one you actually want to extend. Select it. Type in your Wi-Fi password. Double check, or you'll be troubleshooting for hours. 6. Name your extended network. You can keep it the same as your main Wi-Fi or give it a new name. Your call. Just remember it. It'll make life easier when connecting devices later. 7. Choose the location. This one's key. Don't shove it in a closet. Somewhere midway between your router and the dead zone. Light should stay solid green if placement is good. Red equals move it. 8. Test the connection. Once it says connected or success, grab a phone or laptop and try the new network. Open a web page. Stream a video. Basically, make sure it's actually working. 9. Done, but check firmware. Before you celebrate too hard, go into the Mywifiext settings and see if it needs an update. Firmware updates fix bugs and make it faster. Don't skip this. Thanks for watching.